Hi guys, today for the geeks, we are currently reviewing the Gamdias Hermes 7 color mechanical keyboard. Let's look into it.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's really fun. I mean, it's visually really appealing. The colors are one of the biggest draws for me for this keyboard, and the build itself, it looks so solid. What I also liked about the keyboard is that the keycaps are easily switchable. Though at times I would have wanted more clicks. I would have expected better clicking sound from the keyboards for the day-to-day use, but I was a bit disappointed with it. And aside from the, what else? Ugh, darn it! Why am I doing this? Visually, the Hermes is a really good investment. If you're more into your gaming rig or you're looking to have more visual appeal, but if you're looking into a bit more features-centric keyboard, then I would suggest looking for something else. So yeah, it's really good for the price. Some of the features I would have wanted the keyboard to have was that the cable itself. I would have wanted the keyboard to be more easily routable, but as you can see, I am only forced to use it in the front. One of my also biggest, not really issues with the keyboard is the way the wrist guard is designed. I mean, it's supposed to be a wrist guard, but it's not guarding anything. In fact, it's kind of hurting my hands after prolonged use. So overall, the Gamdias Hermes mechanical keyboard is a solid purchase. Considering the price, considering the visual design, and especially the way the keyboard just lights up. But again, if you're looking for a more solid, more feature-centric, more, shall we say, hardcore gamer keyboard and mechanical keyboard, then I suggest going for a different keyboard. So that's it for us, and thank you for spending this time as I review the Gamdias Hermes, and watch out for our other reviews as well. Bye.